This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, leather seats, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.